Hey guys, Skuz here, and today we're gonna try to bring this baby, which is R9270, back to life. This is my brother's old GPU and it died like 6 months ago and it's been collecting dust ever since. He never tried to fix it until now. We had lots of fun and laughs making this video and I hope you enjoy it. By the way, yes, there is kind of face reveal in this video, but you can expect a proper face reveal soon. And sorry for the shaky camera, I really need to invest in a gimbal. If you like cheap games and softwares, let me rephrase that. If you like breeding, check out GVG Mall, link is in the description. First, we needed to replace my current GPU, which is GTX 1070, with a faulty one, just to make sure and show you that it really doesn't work. Which didn't quite go as planned, but more on that later. Here we're just removing the tempered glass, it's pretty easy. Doesn't even require a screwdriver. By the way, this is NZXT S340 Elite case. This isn't really rocket science, so I'm gonna let you just watch this and come back later when we replace the GPU. And it's replaced. Just need to plug in some cables and we're good to go. Power on. Wait, no, this can't be. Yep, it turned on. I was so sad here, which is so ironic considering that it's working and that should be a good thing, right? No. But that didn't last very long. It turned on because there were no drivers installed, and as soon as we installed them, we got a blue screen of death. And the screen never turned back on after that. Ventilators just kept spinning and stopping like this. So yeah, it's time to take the GPU out and disassemble it. So a million screws later, we now just need to unplug the cooler. I'm gonna speed up the cleaning part too. This is just a normal hairdryer, set to its maximum speed and power. We were planning to hold it like this for 15 minutes, but the hairdryer actually turned itself off after only 8 minutes. I thought it died, but it was just a safety measure to prevent overheating. We figured 8 minutes might be just enough and decided not to mess with it any further. So we let it cool for about an hour, and then it was time to apply thermal paste. That's about enough. Plug in the cooler and now screws again, which I'm gonna speed up of course. You can see we are very careful with the screwing here to ensure that the paste spreads equally across the chip. All that's left now is to put the GPU back in the case and see if it worked. Power on. I gotta tell you, I was 95% sure that it wouldn't work, but somehow it did work. Pure magic. It's been a couple of days now and it's still working great. I even edited most of this video using it and played some games. We even ran a GTA 5 in-game benchmark to make sure that it is working just like before. Specs are R9 270, Ryzen 7, 1700 and 16GB of RAM. And pretty much every graphics setting is on low. I know some of you wanna know why exactly this worked. Well, the reason that this GPU didn't work in the first place was because over the years some of the solder joints between the chips and the PCB broke, and by heating the component to the melting point of that solder you can allow it to reflow and reconnect again. It would have probably been better if you used a heat gun instead of a hairdryer, but hey, it still worked. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please let me know if you enjoyed, and if you have any ideas for a video, please leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you next time.